Hi there, Shannon here with Osborne and Kane Miller Books. This is our touchy-feely Farmyard Tales Animal Hide and Seek. So obviously this is one of our touchy-feelies, but it's also I'll lift the flap to find the animals. And it is also a counting book in disguise. There's only one cow in the barn. Where's Daisy? There she is. There are only 2 pigs in the pig pen. Where's Curly? So it goes on like that. You know, there's only 3 sheep in the field. Where's Wooly? And all of these animals, Wooly and Curly and Daisy, are featured in the Farmyard Tales book, the complete book of Farmyard Tales. So if your child is familiar with this, then they'll already know these characters. And if not, they might be interested in this first, and then they'll know the characters when they get to Farmyard Tales. And it has different textures, and at the end you find Poppy and Sam, who are the children from Apple Tree Farm. And so this one is a lot of fun, and like I said, it has the same characters from the complete book of Farmyard Tales. So that's Animal Hide and Seek.